Hello students, today in this video we are going to present all the important objective type of questions or MCQ related to tragedy and comedy. In the exam you will be asked hardly 4 or 5 questions related to tragedy or comedy, and this is why that I am giving you only 10 questions based on tragedy and 10 questions based on comedy, and these are very important because all these questions have been repeated in the last year exams. So the very first is most important question, and here you will find the answer, right? The very first is, what does tragedia mean? Tragedy, this word, it has been taken from Greek language, means we can say that it is a Greek word. So never forget, because this can also be asked, that tragedy is a Greek word. Got? So tragedia mean a goat song, G-O-A-T, a goat song. Simply you have to focus only on the answers, right? Second one is, according to Aristotle, if you are aware of the definition or the theory of tragedy given by Aristotle, then you will be able to answer to all the questions related to tragedy. So it is very important for you to be aware of the theory of tragedy given by Aristotle. According to Aristotle, what is tragedy? And you will be given many definition, many option. But if you know that what tragedy was according to Aristotle, tragedy according to Aristotle, a representation of an action which is serious, complete in itself and of a certain length or certain magnitude, and in that way, so tragedy is an imitation, a representation of an action. Who wrote the first English tragedy? Several times this question has been asked, that who wrote the first English tragedy? So you know very well, it was Sackville and Norton. Sackville and Norton. The soul of tragedy is, you can be asked, according to Aristotle, what is the soul of tragedy? And this question is also asked like this, the soul of tragedy is, then you will be given option and the answer will be plot, and it was regarded by again Aristotle. The soul of tragedy, the soul is a plot of a tragedy. What is hamartia? Hamartia means missing the mark, or miscalculation, right? Hamartia, missing the mark. What is the name of, and you can also be asked that hamartia is taken for, this word hamartia is taken from which language? So hamartia is a Greek word, right? Hamartia is a Greek word. Next one is, what is the name of first English tragedy? Just look at this question, who wrote? You are being asked the name of the writer. Who wrote the first English tragedy? And you can also be asked the name of first English tragedy. So the very first English tragedy, or you can say regular first English tragedy was Gorbo Duck. Gorbo Duck, and it was written by Sackville and Norton. So both these two questions are very important. Next one is, what are the 6 parts of tragedy? What are the 6 parts of tragedy? And 6 parts, 6 elements of tragedy, most important are plot, character, diction, thought, spectacle and song. Got? All these are 6 elements. In the option you have to be very careful at the time of marking that plot, character, diction, right? So all these are 6 parts. When you will tick the correct answer, at that time you have to be very concentrated. What does catharsis? Spelling may be changed, K-O-C, right? And both are catharsis. What does catharsis or what does catharsis mean? So catharsis is the emotions of pity and fear. Catharsis, emotions of pity and fear. Next question, because in your syllabus the plays or the dramas of Shakespeare have been prescribed, and it doesn't matter whether you have Shakespearean dramas or not in your syllabus, but what happens that most of the time related questions to Shakespeare are also asked. Name Shakespeare's tragedies. For example, what are Shakespeare's major tragedies? Okay, name Shakespeare's major tragedies. You can be also given the match that which one is not Shakespeare tragedy. So now don't forget that most important tragedies, very famous tragedy, major tragedies of Shakespeare's were Hamlet, Othello, King Lear and Macbeth, right? Hamlet, Othello, King Lear and Macbeth. These four tragedies are supposed to be the best tragedies of William Shakespeare. So you can be given match or true and false also. Now the last one question based on tragedy is, tragedy imitates, means in this way you can be given a statement, a definition, a remark. Who said, for example, who said tragedy is a representation of an action? Good. The very first, this one. Second question, according to Aristotle. So you can also be given the definition and then you can be asked the name of the writer, that who said this. So you have to pay your attention to such questions too. For example, the 10th one is 10th question. Just look at this. Okay, give me some time. Just like this. Tragedy imitates men as better than they really are. Who said this, right? And then you will be given many options, 4 options. It was said by Aristotle. It was, tragedy imitates, it was said by, right, men as better than they really are. Aristotle once again. Now come to the comedy, the questions based on comedy. The very first is very simple questions you will be asked if you are aware of what is tragedy and what is comedy, and all the videos related to both these topics have been uploaded. So now comedy deals with, then fill in the blanks, or you will be given again option. So comedy deals with the light side, okay, light side, and tragedy deals with the dark side, okay. Tragedy deals with the dark side of life and comedy deals with the light side of life. Which one is the first comedy? Got? Most important question, which one? So you will be given the name of other dramas, other comedies, or maybe tragedy also, but don't get confused. You have to only and only focus on your right answer. Which one is the first comedy? And the first comedy was Ralph Roister Doister, right? And in this way you can be asked, who wrote Ralph Roister Doister, or who is the writer of Ralph Roister Doister? Who wrote Ralph Roister Doister? It was Nicholas Dale. Comedy is an imitation of, then again, okay, dash dash, fill in the blank. Comedy is an imitation of characters of lower type. Characters of lower type. Shakespearean comedies are, again very important question, Shakespearean comedies are always romantic in nature, okay, you know very well, and there is also an example in your syllabus, I think, as you like it. Shakespearean comedies are romantic. Now, Every Man in His Humour was written by, again the this portion will be left blank. Every Man in His Humour was written by, answer will be Ben Jonson. Ben Jonson. A sentimental comedy is, okay, and then again options, full of tears, okay, full of, sentimental, full of tears. A comedy can be divided into you can be asked like this, that comedy, how many kinds are there of comedy? Or comedy has two kinds, then you will be given option. So a comedy can be divided into, okay, two kinds, two parts, classical and romantic. A comedy is always of two kinds, classical comedy and romantic comedy. Got? Who is the greatest classical comedy writer of England? Very important question. Who is the greatest classical comedy writer of England? Ben Jonson. And in this way, Volpone is a very famous comedy. So most of the time it is also asked, this question always comes, Volpone was written by whom? Volpone was written by Ben Jonson. So all these were important questions, MCQ, related to tragedy and comedy.